today we're at Pirniehall. It's up near Loch Lomond in Scotland. We're going to go inside, have a look around and see what we can find. So this place is called Pirniehall. It was originally built in 1970 and then altered in the 80s. It was built for a guy named Alexander Murray. It's in pretty bad condition. This looks like it used to be a toilet area. So it was like used for an educational facility. I haven't seen much videos up recently about this place. I can see why. It's totally torn down. So me and Dean are trying to get at least out for an explore once a week. Upload every second Wednesday. Looks like a staircase up there. Wooden. Not always as soft. I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh man. Floor feels so soft. Oh, no, that's f***ing crumbling, man.
You see what you were just walking on?
It did feel pure. It felt really, really soft, man. Oh my god. I actually did walk across that, as far as that as well. You can see how cool the actual architecture is at this place. It's just a shame to see it looking like this. This reminds me of a bigger version of the Fallon House, an explore we did back in February. It was in pretty bad condition. These kind of long corridors are kind of like the zombie hospital a bit as well, innit? See, with all the overgrown vegetation, parts of this place is just completely caved in. And that looks cool. See what's in there. This is obviously just all the rooms. It's getting a bit dark outside, man. The spirits will be here soon. I don't think we've ever done a nighttime explore.
No, not yet.
This is probably the closest. Not that we're feared, we just like to see things in daylight so we can actually see them. And if there is such a thing as ghosts, I mean, we're probably going to see some at some point. Nice.
I don't feel very safe.
No, I don't think it is safe, man. Somebody's been moving a bit of furniture about. I'm not sure how many it held, to be honest. It didn't tell you online, not what I could see anyway. Like my guess of the size of it, probably about maybe 100, 200 maybe. I think 200 people or something.
Probably,
Because it's not massive, but
maybe go even 200 to be honest.
just all these rooms, and then obviously we don't know what the other building used to be either.
Where we see that?
Whoa, this is
That bit, right.
a bit unstable. I think that's the end of the road anyway, man.
We're upstairs to this one.
But I think that's pretty much the majority of this place we've seen. And really this building's actually in a better condition than the other building anyway. Most of the building was in quite bad decay. The kind of building with all the bedrooms was obviously still in okay condition. It had a lot of furniture in it. There was a building at the back which is just totally caved in that I showed you earlier. Yeah, we'll be heading out next week on another explore. Obviously still getting videos uploaded every second Wednesday, so be sure to hit that like button, subscribe and comment down below. We'll see you next time.